Ready, boy?
What's up, house? All right, all right.
Come on, big man. Yo! There we go. There we go.
Right above the Valkyries.
Hello.
It's me and the girls.
Tell me your indoor cat won't survive in the wild without telling me.
will only cost pure hands instead of your knife.
Why is it spicy?
No way we can get rid of him?
Not without cause, Michael.
I have cause. It is because I hate him.
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
What are you doing? Come on, Mel. Touch it. Come on. You.
Where did all my poops go? They were right here. All of my poops, they were right here. And now I'm here and they're all gone. Have you seen them?
Blackie. Oye.
Damn, boy.
Hi, Katie. Come here. You poopy. Oh, wait, you got to be.
And where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof? Where is the floof?
You wanna go Starbucks? Where's your teefies? You wanna go Starbucks? Where's your teefies?
This is really shitty. You're a good boy. He's such a good boy. No.
Sir, if I were to hold you at gunpoint, what would you do? I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna shoot. Bang!
Where is he? Where is he? Get him, Dora. Eat him. Oh.
He's inspecting.
Georgie.
He's inspecting.
Oh.
I know she put my toy down. Hey, Mom, we ain't doing nothing. Hey, bro, man, one time I'm trying to find a toy. What's the last thing you need to be worried about? Bullshit, I can see it right here. Bro, get up. No, when I'm done, I'm finna shit in the yard. Gotcha, bro. Get out, man. What the hell wrong with you? Look up. Oh, hey, Mom. Look at your ass. Now you finna get a damn whooping.
Through a painstaking process of trial and error, I found out what he liked. And it's really weird. Jim, come on. Juvenile.
Can you give me kisses? Give me a kiss. You don't want to give me a kiss? Why? Make a pig sound. Good boy.
I'm trying to leave the house this morning and I noticed that my one cat is looking at me like, you better not leave me.
Here she comes again with that frickin' phone. Her and her stupid frickin' TikToks. I'm gonna pretend like I don't see her. Just pretend like I am looking into outer space. Go away, lady.
Why are you in here?
Helicopter.
Came back from playing baseball. Nick Anderson stole his rock.
Ridiculous.
You're done. You're done.
Mama, open the door! What are you doing up in here, Mom? You can eat food. Hey, Mom. We was worried about you. We haven't seen you in 3 minutes.
You better stop it.
Do
You
want
to go for a walk?
Hey, I've got a present for you, brother. A present? Oh, mate, thanks so much. My pleasure, buddy. I'm just trying to find it. I left it somewhere here. Oh, yep, here it is. There you go.
Does anybody else's dog stare at you while you sleep? And when you wake up, this is what you see in the morning? Like, my dog be acting like he done went through my phone, caught some shit, he got a whole attitude. Like, what? Like, what did I do?
In response to not getting the attention I deserve, I've decided I will cause problems on purpose.
Where are you going, Milo?
Come here, buddy. Hey. Say hey to TikTok.
Alright, so my dog hates this toy. As you can see, it's a middle finger toy. There he is.
Shark, you hungry?
Where's the serotonin, you?
Hey dude, if you don't tuck your legs in right now, I'm gonna chop them off. Good boy.
I mean, I'm just trying to read something on my phone, you know. That's all I want to do right now, but okay.
Here are 5 simple steps to teach your dog not to tackle you. Number 1, always be aware of your surroundings.